Hi, my name is Tasha Hayes and I'm Contiki Sustainability Officer. One of the key aspects of my role is to be able to find Make Travel Matter experiences in all the destinations that we visit for our groups to enjoy. Contiki's Make Travel Matter experiences have been added to our itineraries really to create the largest sort of impact that we can on the people, the places and the environments that we visit. It's a way for our travellers to feel like they're giving back a little bit to the destinations that we're visiting. Today we're here in Mescladís, which is one of our newest Make Travel Matter experiences in this buzzy neighbourhood of Barcelona. We know people want to learn about Spanish food, we know people want to get hands-on and really uncover it and not just go to a restaurant and really, just sit there and eat it. They want to learn about the backstory. They get to learn about the chefs and where they're from and their stories, and also learn a little bit about themselves and their fellow travellers alongside enjoying their holiday for what it is.
My name is Nicolas. I'm from Uruguay. I've been working here in Mescladís for about 6 months. I'm in charge of all the cooking classes. We do sangria, we do gazpacho, seafood paella, and crema catalana. I think it's important when Contiki travelers come to our kitchen, they can meet people from around the world. It doesn't matter where you come from, the color of your skin, the culture, the religion. They can mix all together and enjoy the time, ask them questions, why they are here, where they're from. We teach people to become a chef, to start working in a kitchen. We are different kind of attraction, but we like that. It's very nice for us.